I'm going to show you today how to install hike it in a Jeep Gladiator. Now it comes with this little harness, and this is the harness that you're going to hook to the pedal. And then you get a little face plate. You get a black one that comes with it if you want to use that, or you can buy an extra one. I got a blue one that'll go on it. But with this, you'll just stick a little screwdriver right there and this will pop right out. And that's the way the one on the throttle now looks. And I'll show you that one. You can see it right there. It looks exactly the same. So you take a screwdriver to that one, to the top of that little screwdriver, pop that piece out and it'll come right off. This is what it's going to look like. It'll be facing like this. And you'll stick a screwdriver in this little part right here in the top. I had to get my little screwdriver to show you. Do this with one hand. So you take it and you stick it right there, and then you just pull out like this, and it'll come all the way out, and it'll look like that. And then whenever you put it in, it's going to go down facing this way, and you'll push this in to lock it in place. And then you'll have these other wires that's inside here, but then this one will connect to this, which is your little controller. So I'm going to install it, and then I'll show you everything installed, because there's not a lot of room down there to film everything. So I'll be right back. I just installed the blue cover, and like I said earlier, it's white whenever you get it, and it comes with a black one. But you can order a different color one, and I went with the blue to match Captain America stuff. Now as far as hooking it up, it's very easy. You just plug it in above the throttle and plug it into your controls. But what I'm trying to do is mount it somewhere, and that is where you find the problem, is trying to find a place to mount it. But what I did is I took this section off and I cut a notch right there. And then what I'm gonna do is I took an old bottle opener and bent it to where it'll fit in just like this, and this will be sticking up, and then the face plate will stick to this. So it's gonna look like this. And then it'll go up underneath the dash part, and it gives it enough room to fit. And then I'll show you the finished product once it's done. There's the final product. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll be having more content later. Thank you.